Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, the escape velocities of planet A and B are same, but A and B are of unequal mass. Reason R, the product of their mass and radius must be same. That is, M1 is equals to M2 R2. M1 R1 is equals to M2 R2. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Option A is correct but R is not correct. Option B, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option D, A is not correct but R is correct. So the key concept that is used in this question is escape velocity. So we can write down the escape velocity, जिसको हम VC से डिनोट करते हैं, will be equals to square root of 2gm divided by r. इधर g को हम ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट कहते हैं एंड m को हम मास ऑफ बॉडी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और हमारा r है डिस्टेंस. सो हमारा जो असर्शन ए दिया गया है उसके बेसिस पे वी कैन explain that the escape velocities of planet A and B are same, but their masses are unequal. इसका मतलब हो सकता है कि उनके पास डिफरेंट masses हो और डिफरेंट डिस्टेंसेस भी हो, जिसके वजह से उनका escape velocity सेम हो गया है. So we can say that the assertion A is a correct statement. And now the reason are, जिससे हम VC escape velocity का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. So this is equals to square root of 2gm divided by r. So यहाँ पे अगर हम two bodies consider करेंगे, so this will be equals to m1 divided by r1 is equals to m2 divided by r2, जिसके वजह से this will be equals to m1 r2 is equals to m2 r1. So इसके बेसिस पे हम कह सकते हैं कि जो रीजन R है हमारा वो एक इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. So the final answer of this question is option A. A is correct but R is not correct. Hope you will understand.